The pop-up bag arrives flattened and consists of a large wire spring wrapped in polyester fabric. On the bottom are two Velcro tabs that hold the bin closed, and once undone, the bag will automatically expand to full size. The inside of the bag is lined with a PVC plastic layer that is a bit more durable than the outer fabric, and it's supposed to be water and mildew resistant, giving it a somewhat stiff texture. The diameter of the bag is about 16 inches, and only a few inches tall when flattened. At full height though, it's 17 inches tall, which comes up to just about my knee. There are handles on either side of the bag for carrying, and the bag itself is very lightweight. The bag can be used in a variety of ways, for example as a laundry hamper, or line it with a plastic bag and use it for recyclables, and of course as a garden debris bag for leaves and grass clippings. The capacity of the bag is 10 gallons, though the weight limit seems to be about 12 or so pounds. I wouldn't overfill the bag with heavy materials because of the lightweight nature of the fabric. In fact, one of the things you have to be careful of is to not put sharp objects like broken glass, rocks, sharp sticks, or exposed metal edges in the bag, as these could puncture or tear the lining, like I've done here by accident. For garden cleanup of leaves and weeds though, this bag does a fine job, and it takes up less space than a traditional garbage bin and isn't as heavy. It also folds up quickly and can be stored compactly. However, because the thin fabric isn't super durable, you should reserve this bag for light duty jobs.